Flour is a common ingredient used in many foods, including bread, pasta, cakes, and pastries. While flour is generally safe to consume when used properly, there are some potential dangers associated with its use. Here are the potential dangers of flour that you need to know. Inhalation. Fine flour particles can become airborne and inhaled during baking or mixing, potentially leading to respiratory issues such as asthma or allergic reactions. Foodborne illness. Flour can become contaminated with harmful bacteria such as E. coli or Salmonella, which can cause food poisoning if consumed raw or undercooked. Food allergies and sensitivities. Some people may have allergies or sensitivities to wheat or gluten, which can cause digestive issues, skin irritation, and other symptoms. Overconsumption of refined carbohydrates. Consuming large amounts of refined flour products can lead to an overconsumption of carbohydrates and a lack of essential nutrients, potentially contributing to weight gain and other health issues. Blood sugar imbalances. Refined flour products can cause a rapid rise in blood sugar levels, potentially leading to insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and other health issues. Nutrient deficiencies. Consuming large amounts of refined flour products can displace more nutrient-dense foods from the diet, potentially leading to nutrient deficiencies over time. It's important to note that the risks associated with flour can be minimized by using it properly and in moderation, as well as by choosing whole grain or alternative flours when possible. In addition, proper food handling and cooking techniques can help reduce the risk of foodborne illness. Always take care of your health. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.